Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. So today I want to do a quick video. I'm hoping that this will help someone out there. So have you ever, did a photo shoot and you look at the back of the camera like, oh my God, this picture look amazing. And you get back home, you upload the photos to your computer, and then when you look in Lightroom, you're like, why are my colors looking all crazy? Here's a method that would help you to achieve the same look that you had at the back of your camera and on your computer. All right, here we go. So I have these three images right here. And if you look at it, you'll see that all three of them are pretty much underexposed. That was done on purpose, okay? Because I'm shooting natural light. I didn't use a flash or anything of that nature. So what happens now is when you go and you look at your picture, like I mentioned before, you look at the back of your camera, you notice that the pictures on here are looking a lot duller than it is on the back of your camera. And you're wondering what happened. Here's what. So Adobe has a profile here that is normally either Adobe Color or Adobe Standard. So if I click on Adobe Standard, you'll notice that the colors look even more washed out. All right. So what we need to do now, if you look to the right hand side here, you will see these four little rectangles. If you click on it, you will see a folder like this called Camera Matching. Okay. Your camera, whatever it's the Sony, Nikon, Olympus, whatever camera that you're going to use, Lightroom is going to generate a profile for your camera. Capture One does this automatically, Lightroom does not. And many people, including myself, didn't really know about this, right? So normally, like I mentioned before, you will see Adobe Raw, and these are the profiles that they will create for you. But these colors look very dull. But now, if you come here where it says Camera Matching and you click on the down arrow, you will notice that now when you scroll your mouse over, you notice how the pictures starting to look a lot similar to what you actually did on the back of your camera. All right, so what you could do now, instead of you coming back and forth into this menu, what you could do, if you hover your mouse over the upper right, you will notice that there's a little star. If you click on that, you will notice that the star become very vivid, right? So what I'll do is I'll do standard, neutral, portrait, and landscape, just for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, let's close that. So now if we go inside, we'll now see these profiles right here. So let's go to standard. You'll notice the difference in the colors already. We haven't done anything, we haven't played with any sliders. You will notice how much the colors look so much better, right? If you go to, let's say, portrait, it's a little flat, but the colors are still looking really nice. If you go to neutral is a little less colors, but even if you compare that to Adobe Standard, the colors are a lot more washed out. And if you go to camera landscape, you'll notice how the colors are a lot more rich, because normally when people are doing landscape, they tend to make the colors a little bit more vibrant and rich in terms of the sky, the grass, etc. Okay, but for me personally, I would more go towards standard. I think standard is a more for a natural look, and that's what I normally shoot in my camera profile, neutral. So I can pick neutral or I can pick standard. If I go to neutral, it is fine, but I like standard. Standard has there's a little pop of color, and this actually looks exactly how it looked behind my camera when I looked at it when I first captured that picture. So guys, I hope this helps someone out there. Let me know in the comments below if that's really helped you, if you have actually run into this problem, or if you're someone who actually knew about this let me know down in the description below, in the comment section below, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.